Roll over on the infield here.
Roll over in the infield. Got a retrieval on it. Close to start finish.
It's in the jumps out here.
Copy. Roll over by the night jump.
Andy, they're going to get someone there for you on Golden Leaf pitch. We are rolled over in the jump section on the infield on our side.
Do we have two rollovers? One at the night jump or one at the jump in the infield?
Okay, they're coming to you now, Andy. There's a truck coming up to you. That'll get TV. Stay strapped in if you can. Stay strapped in. Strapped in. He's backing up to you now. Get the strap on you. Golden Leaf Chase, pistol, pistol. Do you copy me? Get it, go. Oh, somebody hit the toe strap. You see that? I just had a car hit the toe strap. Just hang tight.
Just got a reckless driver.
What a mess.
Caught on the toe strap.
What a mess. They better not get him out. Dang it. This camera's been all over the place. I had it running the whole time. Yeah. I better zoom out a little bit.
I watched the whole thing.
There we go. Let it sit for a minute. Go ahead and start it. Okay, go ahead and start it. And